Dear students, good morning. Now we do this problem. If A equal to a 2 by 2 matrix I 0 0 minus I, B equal to 0 minus 1 1 0, C equal to 0 I 0, and I 2 by 2, then show that first one and second one you have to prove these four are equal, and in the second bit we have to prove these three are equal. What is this I 2 by 2? I 2 by 2 is an identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Right. We are doing this problem. So solution. Given A equal to and B equal to, C equal to are already given, so I have written the same. In the problem it is given that I 2 by 2, I means identity matrix. Identity matrix of 2 by 2 is 1 0 0 1, and we discussed how to write identity matrix of order 2 by 2 or of order 3 by 3. Diagonal elements are equal to 1. Rest of the elements, remaining all the elements are zeros, is identity matrix. Right. In the first bit we have to prove A square equal to B square equal to C square equal to minus I. These four are equal. We have to prove it. So I am considering A square, the first part, A square, A into A. So matrix A into matrix A is written. We know how to multiply. Matrix multiplication is possible. This row is multiplied to this column. I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. First row, second column. I into 0, 0 plus 0 into minus I, 0. Second row, first column. 0 into I, 0 plus minus I into 0, 0. Second row, second column. 0 into 0, 0 plus minus I into minus I, minus into minus plus I into I square. So the value of I square is minus 1. In mathematics, you have to remember this value. I is a complex number, imaginary number. Its square is minus 1. In the entire mathematics, we have to remember this value I square equal to minus 1. So I square minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 0 plus 0, 0. Again this is 0. 0 plus I square value minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So we got A square value matrix as minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Now we do B square, C square. See here. Consider B square, B into B. So B matrix into B matrix, multiplication. Row, first column, 0 into 0, 0, plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1. First row, second column, 0 into minus 1, 0, plus minus 1 into 0, 0. Second row, first column, 0 into 1 is 0, plus 0 into 1 is 0. Second row, second column, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus 0 into 0, 0. So B square equal to 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. So I got B square matrix. Now C square. C square means C into C, and we know how to multiply. C matrix into C matrix are multiplied. By multiplication, we got 0 plus I square, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, I square plus 0. I square equal to minus 1. So 0 minus 1, minus 1, plus 0, here also 0, this is also 0 plus I square, means minus 1 plus 0, that is minus 1. Now minus I, consider minus I, that is minus I means identity matrix, given that it is 2 by 2 order. So 1 0 0 1, multiply minus inside. Scalar multiplication, we know how to multiply a scalar to a matrix. Minus means its coefficient is 1. Multiply minus 1, multiply minus 1 to this matrix. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 0, 0, 0, minus 1. If you observe A square, B square, C square and minus I, if you observe the results of A square, B square, C square and minus I, all these four are equal. So hence we proved that A square equal to B square equal to C square equal to minus I. Now the second bit in this problem. What is the second bit in this problem? We have to show AB equal to BA minus BA equal to minus C. We have to prove AB equal to minus BA equal to minus C. We have to prove that all these three matrices are equal. That is the second bit. So for that I have to consider AB. Consider AB, A matrix, B matrix. Try to multiply these two matrices. We are very much familiar in multiplication now. So try to multiply these two matrices and see whether you two got the same matrix as I got. మల్టిప్లై చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. మల్టిప్లై చేసి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. నాకు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వచ్చిందే మీకు వస్తుంది. సో I into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. By multiplication, I got I into minus 1 plus 0 into 0, 0. Second row, first column, 0 minus I. 0 into minus 1, 0 minus I into 0, 0. So 0 minus I minus I, 0. So AB is a 2 by 2 matrix, 0 minus I minus I, 0. Now consider minus BA minus, keep it aside, write B and A matrices. So minus is as it is outside. Multiply these two matrices. After multiplication, I got minus, the same minus outside here, 0, I and 0. Now multiply this matrix with minus 1. If there is no coefficient, you have to treat it as 1. Since there is minus, multiply minus 1 to this matrix, which is scalar multiplication. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into I, minus I, minus I, 0. So at last I got minus BA is 0 minus I minus I, 0. Now consider minus C. Minus C. So minus C, 0 I 0. Multiply minus inside, 0 minus I minus I, 0. Now observe whether AB and minus BA minus C, all the three are equal or not. Here you can see that minus BA and minus C are equal. Similarly check with AB. So AB also I got the same. So all the three are equal. Hence AB equal to minus BA equal to minus C. Hence proved. Therefore this problem is over.